Hello everyone, I'm the Moose276 here back with another video. So today I'm actually gonna be doing a Lego Link Skyward Sword hair and hat tutorial out of clay and tinfoil. Basically what you want to do is get a Lego head that you don't want to get dirty. Because I mean it doesn't get too dirty, but because there's tinfoil in it. But just in case you don't want to get it on a head that you don't want to get dirty. Basically, what you want to do first is you want to get some tinfoil and you want to put it on this. I'm actually gonna be wait. Let me actually do this because I don't want to. I don't want to mess up the camera or whatever. I don't know. It'll just be too hard to do it on camera. Is what I'm trying to say. I don't know why I said mess up the camera. Let's see. Let's see. Here we go. This looks alright. So you want to basically do something like this. And then you want to get some like light brownish clay. This isn't really light brown, but like you want to get like some brown clay. This is actually gold, but it's not that sparkly. I mean, it is kind of sparkly, but like, I guess you can say hair shines in the light or something like that. I don't know. So basically what you want to do is get some clay and put it on top of this. Oh wait, actually no, you don't want to do that. I'm sorry about that, guys. You don't want to do that. You want to actually get a piece of clay that's actually kind of like big, like this size kind of. And then you want to put it on here. I'll show you guys in a sec. You want to basically put it on like the top of it. Let's see. Let's make this look good. Something like this, kind of. Oh wait, that's actually too much. And also, you want to have like a cut. Oops. You want to have like a cutting tool. Just in case like you mess up, like a toothpick or something like that. You don't want to like have like a big knife or something like that. Also, you want to make it safe. So yeah. Okay, so let's see. You want to get like another piece of like this piece like this. That's a good while to say. So yeah.